Good morning, traders. Richard Miller here doing a quick Ichimoku Cloud Chart market review. Happy Monday to you all. May it be another great trading week. Looking at the Ichimoku Cloud or the SP500 index, I've got the hourly chart up here. We can see since slicing through the bottom end of the cloud, the outlook has changed from bullish to bearish on the hourly. And we've had now the first attempt back up to the top end of the cloud resistance. So the cloud here is now a key resistance zone. And rebound support zones, areas where support can come into the market. We can see here last week we did manage to rebound from these old cloud chart levels, 3805 and 3802. Got very close to 3782. Literally, what was that low? Let's quickly see what. That low is 3789, so a few points away from the from this cloud chart support level. So this is significant support level. You can see two major support historic cloud chart shadow support levels on the hourly. So there is potential for a short-term retracement trade, relief rally back up to the bottom end of the cloud chart resistance zone, and then the top end of the cloud is the next major hourly resistance zone. So do expect the market to rally back up and retest at these resistance zones. So the picture slightly bearish on the hourly chart because price action is below the cloud. And if we go to the 4-hour chart time frame, we can see the markets managed to rebound from the bottom end of the 4-hour chart. That was a fantastic swing trade there. Literally had to be quite quick to capture that one. But we can see it did rebound from this cloud chart support level here. And we can see that it was very close to that one as well. And now the major support levels to watch out for on the 4-hour chart is this zone here. That's a major 3766, also a major support zone. But as long as the S&P rebounds from the bottom end of the cloud, this level here, and then the upside resistance targets are then these front cloud resistance zones, 3870, and then as well as the top one here. Just put one in there, 3897. So these are the upside resistance levels on the 4-hour chart, and it looks like we got our rebound from the bottom end of the cloud. The S&P closed very close to that front cloud support level, so it will be interesting to see if we're going to snap back and rally back up to the bottom end of the front cloud's resistance zone. So these are the levels to watch out for on a successful rebound rally. Turning to the daily, we can see we're not quite at the bottom end of the cloud here, but there is still some downside risk to this top end cloud chart level. So we could still retest this level if the market remains weak. Provided the market stays above these cloud chart levels, this rally should be okay. But as soon as we dip below the bottom end of the cloud, that will change the outlook from bullish to bearish. So far, this pullback is a little bit expected since we had the market become very extended from the top end of the cloud, and it's getting very close to a potential major rebound zone, this front end cloud chart support zone. So watch out for that. Now the big picture risk remains the weekly chart. We can see we're still very far away from the top end of the cloud. The market remains extended on the weekly. The front end cloud chart support level there, 3693, is a major support zone. Could see that being tested, similar fashion to this tight sell-off that we've had here. So be aware that there's still some downside risk on the weekly. But as for now, turning to the daily, very close to bottom end rebound. Could see a rebound back up to the bottom end of the front end of the cloud resistance zone, and then we'll have to reassess what the price action is at that level. But so far, pretty volatile price action on the S&P. Until next time, happy cloud chart trading.